What's up, tech people? This is your technology comrade Yuri Romanov, back with part 2 of reviewing Bluetooth amplifier. In this part, we are going to test the performance and sound output quality of this amplifier. As you can see, I have already hooked the amplifier up with some good quality 50 watts speaker. These speakers are rated at 8 ohms. The connection to this amplifier is very simple. Just connect the speakers and the power supply and you're done. So let's get started, shall we? First of all, we connect the power supply. I'm using a 12 volt 5 amps power supply. I know it's not enough to check the full potential of this amplifier, but I think for testing it's okay. Well, let's go then. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, the boot up sounds just like those Bluetooth headphones. As you can see, we have some LEDs on the amplifier board. It's flashing red and blue. Oh, this means it's in pairing mode, just like those headphones. Anyway, so here I have a tablet. Switch on. Whoa. As you can see, the tablet found an amplifier, Sanwo audio. Okay. So I click on it, pairing. Whoa. Voila. The pairing was fast and successful. Impressive. So on the board it's just blue flashing now. That means it's paired with the tablet. Here I have some royalty-free songs I found on YouTube. You see, I don't want to get into any trouble with YouTube or any other music company. So here we go. Whoa. Wow. Nice. Красиво звучит. Let's increase the volume a bit. Wow. It's good sound, my friends, good sound. The sound quality is really good. Far beyond my expectations. Let's increase the volume a bit. Whoa. Wow. The whole table is vibrating. Nice. Whoa. Nice, nice. Let's stop the music. Well, all I would say, since it is a low-budget Chinese DIY amp, I did not expect to hear such good sound quality. But hey, I'm impressed. Super. Well, let's check the buttons. Let's check play button. Pause. Play. about next. Previous. Oh, since this is YouTube, I don't think I can use the next and the previous buttons. But as for volume up and volume down, they are working. Play and pause is working. Well, personally for me, these buttons are very useless because I like to control my music using my tablet or a phone. But maybe some people will find these buttons useful. Now it's time to check the range. I will go in every other room of my house and see if the range is still good. Let's play. Okay, I'm back, my friend. Oh, nice song. Nice. Class. Let's test the headphones now. Whoa, nothing is happening. Well, that's a pity. The headphone jack doesn't seem to be working at all. I don't know. Basically, I should just plug in the headphone connector and it should start working, but nothing is happening. Well, tech people, the amplifier is really good, but it's disappointing that I couldn't test the наушники. Doesn't matter. My main concern was to test the amplifier with speakers, and I must say it sounded really good. The range was good, the clarity was good. The initial setup of wiring and Bluetooth pairing is also good. I would have given this amp an overall rating of 4, but I give it 3.5 because of the broken headphone jack. With this, I would like to end my video. Please forgive me if my English is too bad. As time passes, I will try my best to improve my English and my videos. Please be kind to subscribe, share and thumbs up. So tech people, this is your comrade Yuri signing out. See you in my next video, which will have something very interesting for you guys. Thanks for watching. Пока-пока.